Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aminillah and I'm the representative from Group G. I want to present our group project which is online Qurban management system. Our group consists of 4 members which are Laila Husna, Satriati, Nurbadria and me. So first of all in our Qurban online management we have 4 menu which are home, Baras, uh, sorry, we have 5 menu in this order information, but we cannot enter to order information because we haven't logged in. So after order information, we have contact us and the last our agent. So to enter in to order information, we can log in or sign up. So we can make our new account. Password. So in this form, we make an email and password. So after we have logged into our account, we can start to order. So first we can fill this form order information. In this information, we have two choices of places which are Malaysia and the needy country. So in this case, we must have to choose one place only, and in this case, we want to choose Johor in Malaysia. So after fill in, we must tick this and confirm. So we choose a cow for this order, and then add to cart. So we continue by view cart, and this is our invoice and information about the cow. So we check out. So before the last step, we fill in this form in payment form. So we click continue, and last but not least, we place the order. And then here we are, we finish our order, and this is our invoice or receipt. So we have finished our order in online Qurban management system. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.